कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आज आपका हेल्थीफाई प्रो इनर सर्कल कॉल में दिल से स्वागत। वेलकम एवरी। आई एम ज्योति मंडल, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड अ डिसीज फ्रॉम हेल्थीफाई एंड आई एम द होस्ट फॉर टुडेज सेशन। सो ये सिर्फ एक मीटिंग नहीं है, ये एक कम्युनिटी है, एक परिवार जहां हर इंसान का मिशन है अपनी हेल्थ को नेचुरली ट्रांसफर करना। हेल्थीफाई का विजन सिंपल है, लेट्स हील इंडिया। हम सब मिलकर एक ऐसा भारत बनाना चाहते हैं जहां लोग डिजीज फ्री, पेन फ्री एंड मेडिसिन लाइफ सके, और इस मिशन में इनर सर्कल का एक बहुत बड़ा रोल करता है। ये प्लेटफॉर्म बना है आप सभी के लिए, ताकि हम हर संडे एक साथ आए, नए हेल्थ टॉपिक से जुड़े, नॉलेज ले और एम्पावर हो, और वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर करें। ये सेशन 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। पार्ट 1 हेल्थ एजुकेशन सेशन, जिससे आपको आप जिससे एम्पावर होंगे, मोटिवेट होंगे। यहाँ पे एक हेल्थ कोच एक नए हेल्थ टॉपिक के साथ सेशन कंडक्ट करते हैं। पार्ट 2 चैंपियंस, हेल्थीफाई के जो चैंपियंस है, जो क्लाइंट्स अपना जिसका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बहुत ही अच्छा आया है, वो अपना सक्सेस स्टोरी यहाँ पे शेयर करते हैं। सो जो भी यहाँ पे हेल्थीफाई के कोचेस है, वो सारे अपने चैंपियंस को इनवाइट कर सकते हैं इस सेशन में, और वो जिसको भी अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है, वो अपना सक्सेस स्टोरी यहाँ पे शेयर कर सकते हैं। एंड पार्ट 3 इज क्विज सेक्शन। इसमें हम जानते हैं कि आपने कितना सुना और कितना समझा। ओके, सो हर बार यहाँ पे जब कोई क्लाइंट या चैंपियन अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी शेयर करते हैं, तो सिर्फ उनका कॉन्फिडेंस ही नहीं बढ़ता, बट वो किसी और के लिए एक नया रे ऑफ होप बन जाते हैं, और ये इम्पैक्ट सफर होता है। सो इस इनर सर्कल में आप सीखेंगे प्रैक्टिकल लाइफस्टाइल टिप्स, हेल्थ के मिथ्स और सपोर्ट सिस्टम पाएंगे, जहां हर कदम पे आपके साथ होंगे। सो चलिए आज का भी सेशन को बनाते हैं इंस्पायरिंग, एंगेजिंग और इम्पैक्टफुल। लेट्स नॉट जस्ट हील आवरसेल्व्स, लेट्स हील इंडिया टुगेदर। वेलकम once again to your tribe, the Healthify Pro Inner Circle.
Okay, Jyoti, can I take
Yes.
a moment from you? You are an
Yes,
amazing
sir.
host. Thank you for doing this. I cannot put on my video क्योंकि यहाँ पे lights नहीं है, तो it will not good. No idea. Okay, great. तो चलिए सबसे पहले यही set करते हैं context. This session is for learning about healthy life without using medicines, without getting independent of medicines. इस पूरा जो हमारा संडे को इनर सर्किल कॉल है, and we have top health coaches of India who are educating you, taking their time to educate you. So यहाँ पे दो टाइप की ऑडियंस है, people who are already in the health sector, health coaches हैं, और they are looking for health. So if you are a health coach or a aspiring health coach, write HC in the chat box. और एक काम और करें आप लोग, चैट बॉक्स में जहां 2 लिखा होता है उसके आगे एवरीवन ड्रॉप डाउन में यूज कर लें, सो दैट सब लोग एक दूसरे का मैसेज देख पाए। मेरा नाम संजीव मिश्रा है, बहुत सारे लोग आप मुझे जानते हो, कई लोग नहीं जानते हो, बट आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेट कर रहा हूं फॉर स्टार्टिंग दिस मीटिंग। तो कितने लोग यहाँ पर ऐसे हो आप में से जो हेल्थ कोच हो या एस्पायरिंग हेल्थ कोच हो, जल्दी से चैट बॉक्स में HC लिख दीजिए। HC शॉर्ट फॉर्म चलेगा। कुलजीत इज हेल्थ कोच, नीलम इज हेल्थ कोच, एंड क्विकली संगीता, पल्लवी, ज्योति, तांजिया, पिट्टू। तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, आप लोग यहाँ पर आए। सो आपकी यहाँ पे 2 वे लर्निंग होगी, खुद कुछ नए टॉपिक सीखोगे और आके लोगों को सिखा भी पाओगे। ऐसे भी कुछ लोग होंगे जो लोग हेल्थ में अपने अंदर कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाना चाहते हैं, कुछ चेंजेस लाना चाहते हैं, उनको हम कह देते हैं हेल्थ सीकर्स कह देते हैं, दोज हु आर लुकिंग फॉर बेटर हेल्थ इन लाइफ। तो जो लोग ऐसे हैं, प्लीज राइट HS इन द चैट बॉक्स, HS इन द चैट बॉक्स क्विकली, अगर हैं कोई तो। ग्रेट, HS, गुड। जोरम इज HS, ओके। तो आपकी यहाँ पर ये लर्निंग होगी, रेगुलरली आते रहिए अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पे और अपने हेल्थ कंसर्न्स को शेयर करते रहिए। साथ में जो लोगों ने भी कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाया है बाय द हेल्प ऑफ अवर टॉप हेल्थ कोचेस, वी वांट कि आप लोग आके शेयर करो, लोगों को बताओ। जैसे एक दिन किसी ने शेयर किया था कि उनकी लर्निंग ये है कि मेडिसिन डिपेंडेंट होना जरूरी नहीं है। दैट वाज अ वेरी पावरफुल मैसेज, क्योंकि हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं इस तरीके से ट्यून्ड हो गए हैं कि कोई बात नहीं, दवा ले लेंगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा। अभी शायद प्रायोरिटी में पैसे अर्न करना है, ऑफिस में जॉब करना मेरी प्रायोरिटी है, सो वी इग्नोर दैट। तो हम उनको एजुकेट करना चाहते हैं, उनको विश्वास दिलाना चाहते हैं कि नहीं, इट इज पॉसिबल स्लाइड चेंजेस करके भी आप अपने आप को इन्फॉर्म्ड रखते हुए एक बेटर लाइफस्टाइल के साथ मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ जी सकते हो. दैट इज द होल सोल पर्पस ऑफ दिस इनर सर्कल. सो यहाँ पर यू विल मीट फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट कोचेज ऑफ इंडिया, जो लोग मेडिसिन फ्री बनाने में लोगों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं बाय यूजिंग द पावर ऑफ फूड एंड लाइफस्टाइल. तो कौन लोग एक्साइटेड हो उनको सुनने के लिए राइट ई इन द चैट बॉक्स. और देन आई टुडेज स्पीकर इज पूनम. ज्योति ऑलवेज होस्ट दिस सेशंस और उनके खुद के भी सेशंस होते हैं यहाँ पे. एंड पूनम, अगर आप चाहो तो अपना जो पोर्शन है that you can record in your system, you just push the button of record, will allow you from that side. तो आपका सेगमेंट आपके पास सेपरेटली सेव हो जाएगा. यस ज्योति, प्लीज टेक ओवर. सॉरी फॉर टेकिंग दिस, आपका इतना बहुमूल्य समय मैंने ले लिया.
I'm so glad that आप यहाँ पे सेशन में एक क्लैरिटी के साथ अपने मैसेज कन्वे किया. थैंक यू सो मच सर, एंड थैंक यू सो मच टू संजीव सर, शीनू मैम, जो हमें इतना अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी दिए हैं, सबको एक साथ जुड़ने का एक मौका दिए हैं. सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस सेशंस. थैंक यू. पूनम, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए, एंड इफ पॉसिबल यू कैन रिकॉर्ड फ्रॉम योर एंड. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not getting that option actually of recording, so I will take it from you after the session.
Okay, no problem. So क्या आप सबको पता है आज का टॉपिक? मेंशन इन द चैट बॉक्स इफ यू नो टुडेज टॉपिक. कोई एक मैसेज भी आ जाए तो आई विल बी सो हैप्पी टू सी कि आज का टॉपिक पता है एंड यहाँ पे आप एक्साइटमेंट के साथ अटेंड कर रहे हो. कुलजीत जी ने कहा प्लेट. ओके, हेल्दी प्लेट, decode your plate. Yes, Siddharth, very good. Okay, so let me introduce today's speaker. She's a true health transformer. She is Poonam Pirwani. She's a director and clinical nutritionist, founder NutriGear Wellness Center, founder of NutriGear Wellness Center, and Core 11 Life Sciences Private Limited in Mumbai. She is a seasoned healthcare leader with over 25 years of experience in pharmaceutical marketing, sales, and brand strategy. Poonam has worked with reputed pharma companies like Elder, Unichem, Glenmark, and USV, where she led impactful campaigns and built powerful healthcare brands across multiple therapeutic areas. She is a certified clinical nutritionist with a fellowship in clinical nutrition and the founder of NutriGear Wellness Center, where she focuses on holistic, evidence-based healing and disease reversal. So let's welcome her. Before I invite her, mention welcome Poonam. And now the stage is all yours, Poonam ji.
So thank you very much, Jyoti, for the kind introduction and your noble words. And I would like to thank Sanjeev sir and Shinu ma'am for giving me this opportunity to present my learnings and share and learn from each one of you, and also share my learnings in the group and the community. So I'm highly obliged and thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So let me share my slides so that we can start the session for the day. Once again, I take this opportunity to welcome one and all on this platform. This platform is really very much dear and core to me, because this platform gives us a lot of learnings, and it actually gives us a lot of directions how we have to ensure that whichever client is approaching us, we are able to help them in the right way, in the very therapeutic way, and in the very ethical way. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. So I am from NutriGear, the founder of NutriGear, the nutrition expert. So today we are here with the topic of decode your plate, everyday nutrition for energy, immunity, and longevity. So before starting the session, I request you all to please keep your phone on silent mode and make the notes, whichever points you feel are very important and which you feel definitely it will help you in your day-to-day course. So I request you to make the notes of it. So as Jyoti has already introduced you regarding my credentials, I will not take much of the time in going through the credentials. And currently, I am founder of NutriGear and the director of Core Wellness Life Sciences. So we have launched this with a mission To nurture the health and fuel the purpose, we are associated with the Sobo Foundation, which is a community for Annadanam. So whatever is the earnings, we are actually contributing to this noble cause, so that even when we have a noble purpose in mind and we serve the community and serve the society, that will definitely help for a better India. So that is our mission. That is, with this mission, we have launched Nutrigia Wellness Center. So coming to today's topic, decode your plate. So let us understand first of all why there is a need to decode our plate. So can any one of you put in the chat box, why do you feel there is a need to decode the plate? Yes? Any one of you, why there is a need to decode the plate? No one? Okay. Balanced nutrients. Okay, I got it. Okay. Fine. Okay. So yes, we have to decode the plate to ensure that whatever we are eating, it is balanced and it is helping our body. So when the diet is wrong, medicine is of no use. But when the diet is correct, medicine is of no need. So at the beginning, as Sanjeev sir said that कि हमको medicine free life जीना है. तो अगर मेडिसिन फ्री लाइफ जीना है तो हमको स्मॉल चेंजेस करने हैं हमारे डाइट में. हम अच्छा खाना खा रहे हैं, बट क्या हम सही तरीके से खा रहे हैं? क्या हम सही चीज सही टाइम पे खा रहे हैं? सो दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So this is the all objective of decoding your plate. So first of all, let us understand what are the signs which your body gives, which says that body says that I require a help. बॉडी कैसे सिग्नल्स देती है आपको कि बॉडी चिल्ला चिल्ला के कह रही है कि मुझे हेल्प चाहिए? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you are taking good food, you are taking home food, still you are feeling lethargic, fatigue, थकान हो रही है, yawning हो रही है frequently, अनक्लियर स्किन है आपका, स्किन की प्रॉब्लम्स है, रैशेस हो रहे हैं, बार बार इचिंग हो रही है, पिंपल्स आ रहे हैं, बैड ब्रेथ, व्हाइट कोटिंग ऑन द टंग व्हेन यू वेक अप, कॉन्स्टिपेशन, ये सारे सिग्नल्स है कि आपको आपके प्लेट को डिकोड करने की बहुत बहुत जरूरत है. So this is very very important. If you're getting this sign, so please start decoding your plate, whether you are eating right, and when are you eating at the right time, are you eating the right combination? So what is there in your plate which is causing this problem? So unless and until you go to the root cause of the problem, you will not be able to figure out what it is. So to go to the root cause of the problem, you need to decode your plate. So let us start by assessing our own health score. So now I will share some questions with you. So you have to rate your symptoms on the scale of 0 to 5. So 0 means you never get any of the symptoms, not at all. Sometimes you get very very rarely. Occasionally you put it the scoring as 2. Frequently you put the score as 3. Often you put the score as 4, or almost या always आपको ये problem हो रही है तो put the score of 5. And at the end, let us total all the scores and let us see what is the interpretation. Okay, so are you ready? Can we take up this test? Can we take up the scorecard? Can we test our scores? Okay, so these are the first questions. How often do you consume processed food? Example, packaged snacks or fast food. कितने बार आप दिन में पैकेज फूड खाते हो, फास्ट फूड खाते हो? अगर आप कभी नहीं खाते हो तो 0. अगर आप कभी कभी खाते हो तो रेयरली, ओकेजनली आप खाते हो तो 2 देना. और अगर बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली, अगर दिन में 1 बार 2 बार, वीक में 3 बार हो रहा है तो 3 देना है. 4 अगर आप डेली ऑलमोस्ट खा रहे हो और दिन में 2 बार भी खा रहे हो तो आप 5 दे सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ ऑफन डू यू कंज्यूम द प्रोसेस्ड फूड. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज हाउ ऑफन डू यू कंज्यूम शुगरी beverages like soda, soft drinks, Coke Diet, Coke, then Pepsi, sweetened drinks. So how often do you have a sugary foods? Done. Third question is how often do you eat foods with artificial additives or preservatives? जैसे कि ready to eat food आते हैं market में आजकल. So how often do you take that and you use it? Because nowadays working professionals, they take the ready-made food, just heat it and use it. So how often do you eat artificial additive or preservative based foods? Even if you are taking the curd which is already prepared in the market and packed and given to you, you are taking any item from the supermarket which is preserved and you are having it, then also this comes in this category. How often do you consume refined sugars or baked goods like cake हो गया, पैनकेक्स हो गए, वॉफल्स हो गए, which contains refined flour. Next question is, how often do you engage in physical activity or exercise? At least 30 minutes daily. So you have to rate yourself in the scale of 0 to 5. So कभी नहीं, sometimes, या तो वीक में 2 बार, वीक में 4 बार, या तो at least 5 times in a week, then you have to give 5. How much water do you drink daily? So do you drink 8 to 10 glass? अगर आप 2 ग्लास पी रहे हो तो 0 देना है, 3-4 पी रहे हो तो 2 देना है, more than 5, 3, 7 या 8 देना, 8 कर रहे हो तो 4 या 5 दे सकते हो. So it depends on your body weight, how much water is necessary for you. Minimum 8 to 10 glasses is required. So how much water do you drink daily? How frequently do you feel stressed or experience emotional burnout? So rate yourself in the scale of 0 to 5. How frequently do you feel stressed or experience emotional burnout? Next question is, do you frequently use household cleaning products or personal care items with chemicals and artificial fragrances? So this we are determining environmental exposures because it also impacts your body, your health. Do you often experience poor air quality, indoor pollution, high traffic? कितने बार आप बाहर जाते हो, ट्रैफिक को एक्सपोजर कितना होता है? So how often your exposure to poor air quality? Do you often experience digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, or indigestion? Do you suffer from frequent sugar cravings or feel like you have low energy throughout the day? आप अच्छा खाना खा रहे हो फिर भी आपको ऐसे लगता है कि लो एनर्जी है. How often do you feel this? Do you have any history of gut related issues like IBS, leaky gut, indigestion, acidity, constipation, या intolerance to certain foods? If you have any of these symptoms, please rate on the scale of 0 to 5. अगर कभी कभी हो रहा है, वीक में 2 या 3 बार होता है, फुल वीक में ऐसा हो रहा है, so based on that you give yourself a score. Do you have any family history of autoimmune diseases? आपके फैमिली में किसको रूमेटॉइड अर्थराइटिस है, लूपस है, या और कोई ऑटोइम्यून डिजीज है तो आप उसको रेट कर सकते हो. Do you ever been diagnosed with chronic conditions like diabetes, hypertension or high cholesterol? Do you frequently experience fatigue, headache or difficulty in sleeping? So this is the last question. Do you frequently experience fatigue, headache or difficulty in sleeping? So now let us total the score for total. हर एक क्वेश्चन को आपने 2 या 3 या 4 या 5 जो भी स्कोर दिया है उन सबको टोटल करिए. So if your total is coming in between the range of 50 to 60, that means you have an excellent health, you are thriving. If your score is coming between 40 to 49, good wellness, some areas definitely need attention. If your score is 30 to 39, fair wellness, focus on improving the key areas. But if your score is below 30, poor wellness, take immediate steps to prioritize your health. So how many of you got the scores between 50 to 60? So how many of you got the score between 40 to 49? And how many of you got the score between 30 to 39 or below 30? So if you're below 30 or even in the bracket of 30 to 39, your health requires immediate attention. So you have to actually decode what you're eating. Along with that, holistic healing approach needs to be encountered. So after completing your health scorecard, do you feel that your current lifestyle aligns with your health goals? Yes or no? What is your health goal and do you think your current lifestyle is aligning with your health goals? Would you like to receive the tips based on your scores to help you decode your plate? So would you like, now you have realized what is my health score, and I would definitely like to receive the tips which will help to improve my scores. Okay, so let us see how we can decode our plate. First of all, let us understand what we eat. It has a dual nature of nourishment. It can nourish the body or it can fuel the disease or imbalance. Why I say so? But if you are eating healthy food at the right time, in the proper way, at the right combination, it will nourish the body. If you are having some foods which is actually feeding the disease, it will lead to infection, it will lead to imbalance. So that, like cold drinks, cakes or any sugary drinks, it can definitely fuel the disease or create the imbalance. As per the clinical data of World Health Organization, 70% of chronic illnesses are preventable through dietary changes. So there are 3 vital functions of food. आपका फूड 3 इंपॉर्टेंट काम करता है बॉडी में. एक तो फ्यूल का काम करता है, बिकॉज योर बॉडी इज अ लग्जरी कार. You can't fuel it with kerosene and expect the performance. Understanding the food's vital function is the first step for optimal health. So 3 vital functions is, first of all, it is fuel. How it fuels your body? When you eat carbohydrates and fats, it provides energy to your body. When you eat proteins, proteins help you repair your body. And micronutrients, definitely, and antioxidant protects you from the reactive oxygen species and free radicals which are developing inside the body, which is reducing your immunity. So 3 important vital functions of food are fueling, repairing, and protection. So your plate definitely should be balance of each and everything. आपको fuel की भी जरूरत है, repairing की भी जरूरत है, और protection की भी जरूरत है. So आपका बॉडी अगर लग्जरी कार है तो हम उसको केरोसिन डाल के हम उसमें परफॉर्मेंस नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हम क्या खा रहे हैं, क्या प्रोपोर्शन में खा रहे हैं और कैसे खा रहे हैं. So that will help you to fuel, repair and protect, because you are definitely, why fueling is important for day-to-day activity, why repairing and protection is important, because you are exposed to environmental toxins and there is definitely degeneration which is happening. So if you have to repair and protect, proteins and micronutrients are also very, very important component. So are we eating the right balance of all the three important things? So that is where the role of decoding the plate comes into picture. So the ideal plate, what is an ideal plate and what is the rule? So 50, 25, 25 is the rule. So a well-balanced plate should contain 50% of veggies, which is non-starchy fiber, 25% of protein, 25% of whole grains or complex carbs. And in center, we have put a healthy fats. So this should be a ideal plate. So when we are eating, are we paying attention कि हमारा जो plate है उसमें हमारा vegetable का content कितना है, protein का content कितना है, और whole grains या starchy fibers का content कितना है, complex carbs का content कितना है. When you analyze your plate, you will realize that जो हम खाना खा रहे हैं, it is a carbohydrate load. So many clients come here and say that मैं तो रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल खा रहा हूँ. It sounds really healthy, but for many it is just a glucose overload. As per the study of ICMR is basically Indian Council of Medical Research. उनका डेटा है, उन्होंने एक डेटा रिलीज किया था. उसमें क्या important insight मिला है कि 70% of the Indian diet is just a carbohydrate. So तो हमारे को प्रोटीन कहाँ से मिलेगा, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स कहाँ से मिलेगी, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स कहाँ से मिलेगा जो हमारा प्रोटेक्शन और रिपेयर का काम करेगा. So let us understand with a case study. One patient came to me. He was a patient of fatty liver, diabetes, and along with that his cholesterol levels were very, very high. So what we did is, he was on so many medications. What we did is, we first of all, before giving any advice, we asked them what is his 3 days diet recall. So this is the list which he gave to me, like these are the things which I eat early in the morning: tea, biscuits, paratha, curd, skips lunch, evening tea, snacks. So इसमें clearly दिख रहा था कि उसका जो refined carb का intake था, it was very, very high. Protein intake was very, very low. And even the micronutrient intake was less. Because of this, when we identified the root cause, definitely we were able to help him. So what we did just small switches, small replacement in his actual diet what he was having, and within 2 months, do you want to see the results? What were the results with the minor swaps and minor switches? So these were the results within the 2 months what was achieved. So his HB level increased, his fatty liver which was in grade 2, it has come down. All his parameters have decreased, and even the fasting blood glucose levels were, he actually has stopped taking the medications like glimepiride and metformin which he was taking regularly. So now he does not require any medication to control his diabetes. So there was weight reduction from 109 kg to 106 kg. Blood glucose was maintained without any medication, and also his calf pain, digestion, sleep, bloating was improved just with the minor switches. So let us understand 3F, that is food, focus, and fatigue. So when we eat refined carbs, what happens actually inside the body? It gives to sugar spikes. When the sugar spike is there, insulin is released from the body. जब insulin release होता है तो वो इतना अच्छा कभी कभी काम करता है कि आपका जो ग्लूकोज लेवल से एकदम ड्रॉप हो जाता है और आपका एनर्जी क्रैश होता है. एनर्जी क्रैश होगा तो आपकी ब्रेन को भी बराबर से ग्लूकोज नहीं मिलता है, तो आपको फटीक होता है, ब्रेन फॉग होता है, आप बहुत बार चीजें भूल जाते हो. कई कोई चीज सामने भी पड़ी होगी तो आपको समझ नहीं, याद नहीं आता कि मैंने यहीं रखी थी, अभी अभी रखी थी, और आप भूल जाते हो. सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स कि आपको फटीग हो रहा है, ब्रेन फॉग हो रहा है. दैट इज वाई बिकॉज हाई रिफाइंड कार्ब्स आर गोइंग इन द डाइट, which leads to sugar spike, which leads to increase in insulin release, which leads to increase in energy crash, and which further leads to fatigue and brain fog. So I wanted to share a case of a cancer survivor who owns a beauty salon, who always who tried a various diets, yeah, fluctuating blood sugar levels, fatigue, brain fog, skipped meals, morning breakfast of tea and toast. Again, we did a analysis. So what did we do? We did just a 3-day diet analysis. What she has in the morning, what she has in the breakfast, what she has in the mid morning. So when we did this analysis, we came to know that her diet contains low protein, more of refined carbs, high sugar, low fiber, and processed food. So we have just given her a small switches, which has really helped her, and you have seen the results. Okay, so we have swapped her morning toast with dal chilla and coconut chutney, which really actually helped her to increase the alertness, and we also added proteins and fibers, which helped her to attain the stable blood glucose levels. So now let us understand the second part, that is immunity. So which are the nutrients which helps to improve the immunity? So vitamin C, zinc, selenium, omega-3 and antioxidants will help you to improve your immunity. But what are the sources and how you have to actually consume it, and which are the things which will help you? So these are the things which will help you to decode your plate correctly. Okay, so again a case study of 45 years old man with recurring colds. We just shifted his diet to immune supportive plate, and the result was there was 1/3 reduction in frequency of cold and cold after the dietary changes. So if I talk about longevity foods, the longevity foods are basically legumes, green sabjis, nuts, sweet potatoes, and fermented foods. So why do I say so? So these are the blue zones of the world. Now what are these blue zones? So these are the zones like Japan, Okinawa, tribe, Greece, and then Italy. So these are known as blue zones because here people live up to 100 years. So there was a study done on this Okinawa group of Japan. So what they found out, that there was very low prevalence of cardiovascular disease, dementia, and diabetes. And the other study found out that what do they consume? Why do they have so low prevalence? So this was because they consume more of polyphenols in the diet. So they consumed orange, yellow roots, vegetables such as sweet potatoes, leafy green vegetables. So these were the things which were helping them to live longer and stay healthier. So these are known as longevity foods. So this is actually the guidelines which they follow in their diets, and they ensure that they live long. So if we talk about what is our usual plate versus a decoded plate, decoded plate will be a balanced plate which will promote optimal health and give you a harmonious mix of nutrients, carbohydrate, proteins, and micronutrients. Whereas unbalanced plate will give you a potential health issue because it has a nutrition deficiency. So which plate would you like to choose? Whether it is a balanced plate or a unbalanced plate. So let us see how to decode it. So we have to focus on what to add, not what to remove. Okay. So these are the components. You can take a pic of this and you can also note it down. Low carb vegetables like broccoli, pepper, tomatoes, cucumber, eggplant. These are the things which you can add 50% in your plate. Healthy fat, very little, like avocados, fresh oil, olive, and high fiber food like brown rice, quinoa, barley, whole wheat, and lean protein. If you are vegetarian, you can use beans. Plant-based will be beans, lentils, nut, seeds, tofu. So this way you can balance your plate. So one of the example of a balanced plate can be a rajma with red rice plus cabbage and beetroot salad plus 1 tablespoon of ghee. So this will give you a balanced plate in terms of proteins, carbs, and fat. So you have to change your habits to change your life, because habits shape you. So eating healthy habits, first of all, eat at regular time. ऐसे नहीं आज मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट सुबह 7 बजे किया तो कल मैं सुबह 11 बजे करूंगी. Don't skip your breakfast. Drink water throughout the day and also at least half an hour before meal. Control your portions, plan your meals, eat the right combinations. I have seen most of the people, they eat right, but the combination of food, what they eat is actually not correct. Most of the people, for example, to give you a palak paneer. So is palak paneer a right combination? So if I add palak, it is an iron rich food. If I add paneer to it, it is a calcium rich food. If I combine both, the absorption will be hampered. But if in that case, if I add a lemon on the palak, I squeeze a lemon on the lemon drops on the palak, it will actually help the iron absorption. So that is a right combination. So what combination is being eaten, that also makes lot of difference. This comes into your healthy habit. So most importantly, healthy eatings for the whole family starts with when the family is eating together. It encourages healthier eating. Kids enjoy more when they help to cook. Ensure that you engage your kids in while cooking the food. Make the food fun with colors and shape. Parents should lead by example by eating healthy too. So these are the things, this is the way your family, because it is said that जैसा अन्न वैसा तन वैसा मन. So if अगर आपका अन्न सही है तो आपका तन सही है, अगर तन सही है तो आपका मन सही है, then you will enjoy more and you will get the more benefit of the food what you are eating. So जैसा अन्न वैसा तन वैसा मन. So this is very, very important, and this will help to ensure the good environment also in the family, and the food will be enjoyable, and what you eat will definitely give you the better benefit. So let us see small tips on oils, fats, and other cooking tips. So you can take a screenshot if you want. So many of the oils which are used, some of the oils, they have to be used at room temperature, but I have seen many of the oils, they are used for frying as well. For example, extra virgin olive oil or flaxseed oil, it should not be used in the high temperature because their smoke point is very, very high. It is unstable. So it has to be used at room temperature. It can be used for salads, dips, and dressings, and even for slow cooking or sorting the vegetables. For grilling, you can use sesame oil or sunflower oil, which enhances the flavor and which has a moderate smoke point. For tadka, for Indian tadka, you can have a ghee, mustard oil, or sesame oil. And for deep frying, you can have avocado oil, rice bran oil, or groundnut oil, or mustard oil. So these are the things which actually, these are the small changes if you do in your cooking style, that will also refine your plate, and it will help you to give you a better plate and healthier plate for yourself and your family. So these are the disease specific which oils are good. So when we share the material with you, if you are interested, you can DM me. I will share this material with you. You can have this which types of oil is better for which type of disease condition. So this is what we have discussed. So here again a case study, a 24-year-old girl with unhealthy slacking, most time Maggies, pancakes, and biscuits. And we also had a case study of a 34-year-old working professional. We did a dietary changes, small swaps in her daily diets, which helped her to reduce the weight by 3 kgs in 1 month.
We can't hear her. Her voice is not audible.
Yeah. Okay. I will skip this then.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are some examples of healthy snacking and swapping from the current snacks which you are having. For cookies, you can swap to mixed nuts. For potato chips, you can swap to popcorns. For candies, you can swap to fruits. For ice creams, you can swap to Greek yogurt. So these are the healthy, and even the roasted makhanas, roasted chanas. These are the healthy snacks which can be opted for, which will give you more benefit than the damage which is caused by the unhealthy snacks. So some of the people come and ask me what happens when I eat late. So eating late actually disrupts your metabolism. It interferes with your circadian rhythm, which can lead to weight gain, insulin resistance, and metabolic disorders. So a medical representative who was working in a pharma company, he was 50 years of age, diabetic. He has lost 3 kgs just by a simple shift. He shifted his dinner timing at 7:30 p.m. from 10 p.m. So he has got the drastic results. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि डाइट मतलब बहुत सारी चेंजेस करने हैं. स्मॉल चेंजेस, कंसिस्टेंट चेंजेस विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू द बेटर रिजल्ट्स. Then it is very very important mindful eating, which is actually a forgotten habit. So you have to chew your food at least 32 times in a 32 times per bite. So it is said that ana anam is a brahma, that is food is divine. Treat your food with same respect as you treat the divine. It should be consumed with gratitude, awareness, and mindfulness. We are made of what we eat. Disease too arises from the food. So this is as per the shlokas which are there in the Upanishads and also in the different Ayurveda chapters. So we have to respect our food. We have to ensure that we treat the food as divine. We have to pay the gratitude, and we have to ensure that we are eating mindfully. That will give us the benefit of what we are eating. So unless and until you find out the root cause, what is the issue, you will not be able to decode your plate. So find out the root cause, what is the issue, where actually I am going, whether I'm eating mindfully, whether I'm eating at the right time, whether I'm eating at the right with the right combination, whether I am taking the full right proportion of proportion of my plate with protein, carbs, and fat. So that will help you to give more benefits from your plate than the unhealthy plate. So to sum up, there are 5 rules to decode your plate. First important rule is half of your plate should be vegetables. Include protein in every meal. Cut refined sugars, not natural carbs. Eat between 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and hydrate before hunger. So these are the things, if you follow these 5 rules, it will give you a better plate and a healthy plate, which will help you in your healthy lifestyle. So this is all about decoding your plate. And you can follow me on Instagram and try decoding your next meal and tag me. If you're decoding your next meal, you can tag me on my Instagram handle. And you can DM me if you want a 3-day decoded meal plan, which will be customized as per your disease condition. So thank you so much. And this is from my side. Over to Jyoti.
Thank you so much, Poonam ji. It was very, very informative session. You can stop sharing the screen.
Yeah, I will do that.
Yeah. So आपने बहुत ही सही कहा, जैसा अन्न वैसा तन वैसा मन. बहुत सही है. So especially I also learned a lot of things from your session. It was very informative and thank you so much for spreading awareness how to eat right. हम बहुत कुछ ancient wisdom में जो है वो हम भूल चुके हैं and modern things को accept कर रहे हैं, but कहीं ना कहीं दोनों का combination से हमें अच्छा results मिलता है.
Yeah. Right. Yes, absolutely.
So कैसा लगा आज का session सबको? You can mention one learning in the chat box. Meanwhile, let's move to the next part.
I have one champion who has joined. I'll just check with her. Miss Bhagyeshwari Pardasare. So if you can see her, if you can make her the panelist, I'll just check with her.
Actually, there's another champion. So everybody gets a chance every Sunday. So you can invite her next Sunday to talk.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Poonam ji. Let's move to the next part. Second. The next part is champion success story. Let me invite today's speaker. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for everybody's learning जो आपने सीखा. And anybody has any questions or anybody if you are looking to transform your health, you can reach out to your coach who has invited you. Okay. All right. So today's champion is Ratna. She's here, so she'll be here soon. So वो जो आप आज शेयर करने वाली है अबाउट मेनोपॉज एंड वेट लॉस, नी पेन कैसे रिड्यूस हुआ विथ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल प्रोग्राम, so she'll be sharing more about her transformation. Let me make her co-host. You can switch on your video, Ratna ji. You can unmute yourself and switch on your video. Yes.
Awesome.
Great, great. Yeah, perfect. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Jyotima.
Okay, good to hear. Thank you so much for your time for attending the session, and you are going to share your success story, which will create an impact for in everybody's life. They'll hear you. So I'll ask you questions, and you can answer one by one. So can you please introduce yourself?
My pleasure to tell my experience, Jyotima. मेरा नाम रत्ना है. आई एम फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. आई एम 57 years old. मेरा लाइफस्टाइल चेंज होने के लिए मैंने बहुत कोशिश किया. फिर भी मैं नहीं हो रही थी, बहुत अटेंड किया. बाद में मेरे बेटे ने बोला, मामा आपने ज्योति मंडल के साथ ज्वाइन करके आपका लाइफस्टाइल चेंज कर सकते हैं करके. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम रिफ्यूज किया मैंने एक्चुअली. बाद में ही फोर्स मी टू ज्वाइन. So then I started connecting with you, and मैंने मेरा फूड हैबिट्स चेंज किया और वॉकिंग सब किया. ये सब करने के बाद मेरा रिजल्ट्स बहुत अच्छा आया. आई एम एक्चुअली वेरी हैप्पी विथ यू ज्योतिमा. एंड मैंने मेरे बेटे को बोला, मेरा बेटा 1 महीने के बाद मुझे पूछा आपको कैसे लग रहा है वहाँ पे. मैंने बोला ज्योतिमा पहले क्यों नहीं मिली मुझे. सो आई एम 57 नाउ. मुझे 30 years 40 35 years को मिले तो मैं एक्चुअली मैं अच्छी मेंटेन कर सकती थी करके मैंने बोला मेरे बेटे को. सो ही वाज वेरी हैप्पी. एक्चुअली बहुत फोर्स किया इन्होंने. बाद में ही मैंने ज्वाइन हुआ. मेरा नी भी पेन है, डॉक्टर ने बोला है नी रिप्लेसमेंट करना है करके. सो उसको सब आपने सप्लीमेंट वो दूसरा मेडिसिन सब दिया, मल्टीविटामिन और कैल्शियम का सब. ये सब लेने के बाद एक्चुअली मैं अच्छी हूँ. मेरा गैस्ट्रिक था और बहुत टायर्ड हो रही थी, तो वो सब मैंने मैनेज किया है. आई एम हैप्पी. तो खाने का सिस्टम भी पूरा मैंने चेंज किया है, इसलिए मैं एक्चुअली बहुत हेल्दी हूँ ज्योतिमा.
Great, great to hear that. Okay, so आपने जैसे कहा पहले what health issues you were facing in terms of your weight, gut health, जो आपने अभी बताया.
ये भी था, स्टमक प्रॉब्लम भी और गैस्ट्रिक बहुत था मुझे. और क्या करने से भी मैं एक्चुअली वेट लॉस नहीं हो रही थी मैं. तो विद इन 3 months आई रिड्यूस्ड 5 kilo. आई वाज एक्चुअली वेरी हैप्पी. 5 kilo भी कम होने बहुत मुश्किल है ना. सो आई रिड्यूस्ड
Especially after menopause.
या मेनोपास. मेरा 55
Yeah.
years तक मैं मेरा पीरियड्स हो रहा था. उसके बाद मेरा अभी 2 years 2.5 years हुआ स्टॉप होके. उसका वो सब रीजन लेके बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था. मेरा वेट गेन हो रहे थे उससे. तो मैं अभी रिलैक्स्ड हूँ. आई एम ग्रेटफुल टू यू एंड माय सन आल्सो.
I'm so happy to hear that. So आपको ये प्रोग्राम कैसा लगा? Easy था? Was it easy to follow or challenging?
क्योंकि मुझे बहुत भूख लग रहा था. ऐसे सब हो रहा था. मैंने बोला था आपको वो पहले दिन मेरा प्रॉब्लम्स बोल रही थी. आपने खाना बहुत अच्छा दिया, सफिशिएंट दिया. मुझे भूख भी नहीं लग रहा था. वो डाइट मतलब वो मैंने सोचा थोड़ा थोड़ा देंगे करके और ओनली वेजिटेबल्स दे विल टेल ऐसा करके मैंने बहुत ये किया था. अभी वो खाना भी मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. आपका क्या एडवाइस किया. तो मेरा पेट भर खा रही थी खाना सब में.
So happy to hear that. So after following the program, what health benefits have you seen?
वो एनर्जी है मुझे और टायर्डनेस नहीं हो रहा है. गैस्ट्रिक का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एक्चुअली. 100% कम हो गया है गैस्ट्रिक का प्रॉब्लम. मुझे बहुत था
Awesome.
गया. मैं स्ट्रेस और टेंशन सब नहीं लेती. क्या होता भी मैं एक्सेप्ट कर लूंगी लाइफ में ऐसा होता है करके. ऐसा होने का बाद भी मुझे थोड़ा हेल्थ इश्यू सब आ रहा था. सो नाउ आफ्टर आपका वो लाइफस्टाइल का वो लाइफ में कर रहे हैं ना. सो आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस ज्योतिमा.
Great. Overall, to summarize, Ratna ji has lost 5 kg of weight, 16 inches fat reduce हुआ, energy levels improve हुआ, gut health improve हुआ, metabolism improve हुआ, no more bloating, gastric और constipation issues, belly fat 50% reduce हुआ, skin glow करने लगा after following the program as you mentioned. है ना?
और वो अपने
ये
खाने को वो देते हैं ना, बहुत न्यूट्रिशियस है और भूख नहीं लगता ज्यादा। मुझे पहले वो कुछ खा ले तो भी 2 आवर्स को भूख लग रहा था, ऐसा अभी ऐसा नहीं। मैंने वो ग्रीन ग्राम डोसा खाए तो 2 और चटनी के साथ 1 till 1:30 2 o'clock आई कैन, मुझे भूख नहीं लगता। और ओट्स खाती हूँ,
awesome,
ऐसे रागी
awesome.
डोसा बनाते हैं। अच्छे है
Yes.
आपका फूड सिस्टम है ना, अच्छे है ज्योति। एक्चुअली हम लोगों को मालूम नहीं वो ऐसा खाना ऐसा खाना। आपका वो लाइफस्टाइल का प्रोग्राम सब सुनने के बाद एक्चुअली इट इज वेरी गुड ज्योतिमा।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग दैट। एंड आपने ये भी मेंशन किया कि डॉक्टर हैज आस्क्ड यू टू गो फॉर नी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी, बट विथ लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस इटसेल्फ आपका 50% नी पेन कम हो गया, है ना?
50% पेन कम हुआ है ज्योतिमा। कुछ वजन
ग्रेट।
वजन लिया तो मेरा पेन आता है, अदरवाइज आई कैन स्टैंड इन किचन 2 hours ऐसे सब खड़े होके मैं खाना सब बनाती हूँ, सब घर का सब काम करती हूँ।
ग्रेट, ग्रेट।
सो वो
एंड
सब फॉलो करने के बाद पहले मैं वेट लॉस नहीं हो रहे थे, अभी मेरा 5 किलो हुआ है। सो धीरे से होगा, आई एम नॉट वरीड
यस,
अबाउट मेरा लॉस हुआ है नहीं करके। आई एम एनर्जेटिक हूँ, मैं
यस,
हैप्पी हूँ, रिलैक्स्ड है ना, तो दैट इज मेन इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर मी। मेरा वेट
ऑसम,
लॉस नहीं हुआ करके मैं वरी नहीं करती, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट, बट इन स्पाइट
यस।
ऑफ नहीं हुआ तो भी मैं बॉदर नहीं करूंगी। हेल्थी है तो आई एम हैप्पी।
ग्रेट, ग्रेट। मोर देन वेट, जो हेल्थ इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है दैट इज ऑसम। इनफैक्ट आपका जो शुगर लेवल्स था वो भी बैलेंस्ड रेंज में आ गया, विद इन द रेंज में आया है। अर्लियर इट वाज हाई एंड आफ्टर द लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस वो विद इन द रेंज आ गया है, राइट?
या
बिलो
ज्योतिमा।
5. Okay, great. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and your experience with the program. And this is what we do at Healthify. We help people to live a medicine-free, disease-free, and pain-free life. So, last question, Ratna ji. One message you would like to give to the audience. अपने हेल्थ पे क्यों ध्यान देना जरूरी है? क्या मैसेज पास करना चाहोगे आप टू ऑल द
क्यों हेल्थ
ऑडियंस?
पे ध्यान देना है तो पेनलेस लाइफ लीड करना है ज्योतिमा। पेन लेके लाइफ नहीं कर सकते। सो आपका वो लाइफस्टाइल में हम आए तो रिलैक्स लाइफ लीड कर सकते हैं, पेन नहीं और मेंटेन कर सकते हैं शुगर लेवल, बीपी, वो टेंशन स्ट्रेस सब लाइन एंड वी शुड नॉट टेक लाइक दैट करके। अपने क्लासेस ले रहे थे ना वेडनेसडे और सैटरडे, उस क्लास में सब आप एडवाइस कर रहे थे योगा जैसा ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज सब करना, प्राणायाम, वो सब करने के बाद वो हमको अच्छा लगता है ज्योतिमा। सो इट इज
ग्रेट,
वेरी नाइस, एवरीवन शुड फॉलो योर लाइफस्टाइल का। सो बहुत लोगों को मालूम नहीं, वी हैव टू कन्विंस करना है लोगों को, ज्वाइन हो और आप सब सीखे तो अच्छा रहता है, लर्न करे तो लाइफ में। सो हेल्दी लाइफ लीड कर सकते हैं ज्योतिमा।
यस, ग्रेट। दैट्स अ ग्रेट मैसेज रत्ना जी। बहुत ही अच्छा अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपने शेयर किया। आई होप यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं अपना हेल्थ पे ध्यान देना बहुत जरूरी है। नो मैटर व्हाट, योर हेल्थ स्टैंड्स ऑन द टॉप, इट्स अ प्रायोरिटी।
57 में भी कर सकते हैं सब लोग करके, they can take my this one man.
यस, यस, ग्रेट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम रत्ना जी, बहुत ही अच्छा
Thank
लगा
you.
आपको सुन के।
Even
या,
myself, ma. Thank you everybody who is listening my experience, ma. Thank you, Jyotima.
थैंक यू सो मच। So everybody can mention more power to you, Ratna ji.
Yes, thank
MPTY.
you. Hi, Jyotima.
MPTY. Yes.
Ningelye.
Okay. All right. Let's move to the third part. Okay. Before we move to the third part, यहाँ पे if anyone is looking to transform your health, you can always reach out to the coaches who has invited you. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's move to the third part. Quickly, I'll share my screen. Third part क्या है? Quiz section. Are you all ready? If yes, type yes in the chat box. यहाँ पे पता चलेगा कि आपने कितना सुना और कितना समझा। पूनम जी, are you also available?
Yes, I
Or
am
shall I,
here. Yeah.
shall I take the quiz section or you would
Yeah.
like to?
Anyways, you can take
Okay.
it if you don't mind.
I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, yeah.
I'll ask. So
Okay.
what,
I will
the
ask, no
first
problem.
question. Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry. Okay.
You can,
Okay, so first
you
question
can
is I'm audible, right?
Yes, you're audible. If you would like to take, you can.
Okay. So first question is, what percentage of chronic illness can be prevented through dietary changes according to WHO data which was shared? Is it 30%, 50%, 70%, or 90%? 70%. Okay. Jyoti ji, you are not audible. I think you're speaking something.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute.
Yeah.
Okay, I can see in the chat box 70, 70, 70. Somebody said 90,
Yeah.
90. Okay. So the right answer is 70%, as
70%.
she mentioned in the session.
Yeah.
Next
Next
question.
question. Which of the following is one of the 5 rules to start decoding your plate? Is it skip breakfast and reduce calories, eat refined sugar for quick energy, include protein in every meal, or avoid all fat, including healthy ones? C, 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 C. So absolutely right. So everyone got
Great.
this right.
Everybody was so attentive.
Yeah. Which oil change helped lower triglyceride levels in a client case study which was shared?
Option A, switching from mustard to refined sunflower oil. Option B, reusing fried oil multiple times. Option C, replacing sunflower oil with wood pressed mustard oil. Option D, using vanaspati ghee regularly. Okay. C, 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 C. Yes. Somebody
Correct.
said one. No, C. C is the right answer.
Please.
Replacing sunflower oil with wood pressed mustard oil.
Okay, nice. So, what is recommended chewing practice to support digestion and mindfulness? Is it 10 chews per bite, 20 chews per bite, 32 chews per bite, or swallowing quickly to save time? 32, correct.
Right. 32 C, C, C. Great. 32 chews per bite is the right answer.
According to circadian rhythm research, what is the ideal time to eat dinner for better metabolism? 10 p.m., 8:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m., or midnight?
I hope nobody mentions midnight.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
So
Right answer
everybody has got,
7:30
yeah.
p.m. Great. 7:30 p.m. is the right answer.
Okay.
Next.
Which foods are commonly consumed in blue zones for longevity? Is it fried snacks and red meat, legumes, green fermented foods, and nuts, or ice cream, white bread, or energy drinks and protein bars?
Yeah, it's B, B,
Yeah,
B, B,
B.
B. Yes.
Correct.
Great. B is the right answer.
Okay. What are the 3 core functions of food according to the session? Is it taste, texture, tradition, energy, digestion, mood, fuel, repair, and protection, and cooking, serving, and storing?
Okay. C, C,
Okay,
C, C.
correct.
Very good.
Fuel, repair, and protection. Perfect. Which nutrients are key for boosting immunity as discussed in the session? Calcium, iron, vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc, selenium, omega 3, vitamin A, magnesium, B12, and fiber, folate, and biotin. B,
B,
that is
B,
vitamin
B,
C,
B.
zinc, selenium, and omega 3. Correct.
Yes. B is the right answer.
What is the biggest flaw in the typical Indian diet according to the presentation which was shared? Lack of spices, too much of protein, excess fiber, or excess carbohydrate and low protein? D.
Biggest flaw.
Yeah,
Yes.
correct.
D is the right answer. Excess carbs. Last question.
Which of the following represents the ideal plate model based on the 50-25-25 rule? 50% carbs, 25% veggies, 25% fat. 50% fruits, 25% dairy, and 25% protein. 50% veggies, 25 protein, and 25 whole grains. 33% of each veggies, carbs, and proteins. So C. Yeah, C.
Okay. C,
No,
C, C,
D.
C.
C, C, C.
E.
Yeah. So yeah. That's all
Right.
about the quiz.
Great. This shows that everybody was so attentive in the session.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating. And I hope today's session was a value add session. So, to all the coaches who are attending the session here, you can invite all your clients. We call them as champions. So, you can invite them and to motivate them and empower them. They will learn a lot from these sessions. It happens every Sunday at 10:30 a.m. So, let's meet again next Sunday, same time, same platform. Okay. Anyone, any questions? You can raise your hand or you can mention in the chat box. Okay, thank you, everybody. No questions. So Poonam has taken the session very clearly with great clarity. Okay, Amarnath says share the screen of 5 rules. Okay, you will get that 5 rules slide. Fine. You can take a screenshot, Amarnath,
I
and
just want
everybody
to
here.
last 2 message. Sorry.
Okay, fine. So I hope सबको
Yeah.
मजा आया आज के सेशन में. If
So
yes,
the last
type
2 summarizing message for eating healthy, if you don't mind.
yes, please.
So last 2 messages: pay to the farmers now or pay the farmer later. It is your choice. The ball is in your court now. We have tried our best to empower you. So it is up to you how you take it, because your health isn't decided in hospitals. It's decided at your dining table. Food is a medicine. What you will put in your plate today, that determines how healthy you will be. Thank you so much.
Well said. Your health isn't decided in hospitals, it's decided at your dining table. What you eat is what you are. Thank you, everyone. Any questions you can mention in the chat box. And thank you, everyone, for participating in the session and getting empowered with a new health topic and a new success story. Thank you, Poonamji. Thank you, Healthify.
So thank you so much, Jyoti ji, and thank you, Shinu ma'am and Sanjeev sir, for giving this opportunity. Thank you, everyone, for joining.